Do you need a reliable partner to keep your next project rolling smoothly? Look no further than Salty Dog Trash. If you are overwhelmed by clutter, we are here to clear the way. We offer top-notch roll-off dumpster rental in Anderson, Indiana, tailored to your needs. From small-scale renovations to large construction undertakings, we have the perfect dumpster size for your project. Our team is dedicated to providing hassle-free service every step of the way. Our commitment to exceptional service means prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track. Once you're done, we'll take it from there, leaving you with a clean slate. For a comprehensive view of our offerings and to secure your reservation, visit our website at www.saltydogtrash.com. Dumpster Rental Anderson IN. You can also reach out to us by dialing 317-660-5099 to speak with one of our friendly staff. Contact us today for hassle-free roll-off dumpster rentals in Anderson, Indiana, and enjoy your clean space with zero hassle. Propel your project forward smoothly with Salty Dog Trash.